Here's the product that I installed. Right now everything's sitting in our bathtub because we're rehabilitating our bathroom as well. At any rate, Procore surfaces. I'd like to say that this is excellent stuff. Don't be afraid of it. Go ahead and use it. And here is the floor that I put in. It's still not finished regarding putting the trim all in and everything, but I just wanted to show it to you. The stuff goes down excellent. The seams, if you install it properly, are seamless. I'm rubbing my hand over this. I can't even feel a lump. Okay? And this isn't really a super duper instructional video on how to do it. But look how nice it goes down. These are all separate little pieces. Now, over here, I don't know if you can see it on the video. It might be kind of hard to tell. But see these areas here where they're a little bit darker? Now there's that window there that's shining, bringing some light in here. Once again, this room isn't completed yet, still works on. But see those? That's because I didn't do what the manufacturer suggested. And look at the box, the box, okay? And look for what they call lot numbers. Lot numbers. You want to make sure that the boxes you grab all have the same run numbers on it. Now, if you look at it from here, you can't really tell. But when you look at it from the other angle, you can. Just a little thing. It doesn't ruin the roof, or ruin the floor. But if you go ahead and you mix them up, you won't run into that at the very end, where the whole room is one color, and then you get like that one area there. So then here's just some simple equipment I use. This is called an oscillating saw, and this one is really good. I can recommend it. You know, I'm not a professional. I have nothing to do with your safety. I'd like to make a preemptive on that. You know, go at your own risk. You have to wear all your safety goggles and all those things. Safety is your concern. This was very helpful after using the oscillating saw and cleaning out stuff from underneath the door jambs. Here's a hammer. I'll show you why I wanted to use that in a minute. These wood screws worked great on the floor. It's an old floor with like that old fiber board. The house was built in like the 80s. But this stuff worked great. Those screws really held it down and got the squeakies out. Tape measure, a rubber mallet, and an old school square. As you can tell, I put that one to work a lot. Got a chop saw. In this case, I got a 10-inch Ryobi. Works fine. And I also have an air compressor, which is awesome. Tool works great for stuff like this. Here's a little pointer that I didn't learn till I was just about done with the floor. As you go, you'll see different situations why you might need to do this. And I'd like to preface this by saying that just simply watch the manufacturer's video on whatever website of the builder's big box store you're buying this stuff from. Because that's how I did this whole floor. Except towards the end, I learned a little trick. The stuff kind of locks in place. Sorry my video is getting a bit blurry here. But it locks into place. Okay, I'm only doing this one-handed. This is just for a demonstration. Okay? And by the way, it will chip. See that? See that right there? It's not indestructible. Be careful with your product when you're putting it in. So when you get it like this, the manufacturer will tell you, and rightfully so, and that's how I did the whole thing. About an inch over here on the seam. Okay, you pound it in. Okay, and it gives you that nice seam. What I learned as I was going along, if you take a scrap, rubber back down, or vinyl back down, you put it over there, just give it a whack. 1, 2, 3 quick whacks. Man, that thing seals it up real nice. So I just wanted to give you that little pointer right there. Other than that, that's it. I would start from the door. I did not. I started mine from the longest side of the room, which you're supposed to do, but I ran into problems over here. Since the stuff locks in together, you kind of have a hard time snapping it in place. Going this way, as opposed to if I would have just ran it this way. If you get it, when you go to install it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, because you can install underneath your door jamb and then continue out as opposed to coming across. So other than that, that's it. Enjoy this stuff. Don't be afraid to put it in. It will scratch the floor. Read the entire owner's manual. This stuff is not impermeable just because it's vinyl. It will scratch if you get a nail or something on there. Nothing pointy, guys and ladies. So other than that, thanks. Have a great day and enjoy your new vinyl flooring.